everybody, in today's video I sneak onto a storage lot and stealth cam a commercial delivery truck, one of the big ones, so stay tuned. Also, I'm gonna burn my face off with some ghost pepper hot sauce. I am on my way to one of 3 different Target locations that I've looked at. This is gonna be kind of a difficult one, somewhat, I think. It's Friday afternoon right now, so I got off a little early, which is good. Sunset is going to be at about 5:45-ish. 2 of these places close up at like 4 o'clock. One of them closes up at like 5:30 or something like that. So it's all going to depend on what the situation looked like when I get there. I don't know what the security system is like. I didn't see any outside cameras, so that's a good sign. A couple of guys I know from work who are looking forward to this. Felipe, talking to you. Felipe wanted to know where it was. I'm going to obscure everything as best I can because it's probably not exactly legal. I mean, I'm not hurting anything. I'm not hurting anybody. At 2 of the places, I know a couple people there. They know what I do, so I mean, do with that what you want. I haven't seen anybody else do this. I'm the only one who's done it. Maybe somebody else will do it. The places have nothing but like the big trucks, the big, 52-foot. One place is like a storage lot where they store these trucks. I didn't think that there was fence around the outside of it, and I saw a bunch of different trucks that had their, the backs open. Some of them were being used for storage of like pallets and milk crates. Some of them had a mix of trucks, so straight trucks and semi-trailers. Ideally, I would like a truck like the ones that I drive at work because they're smaller. That means I won't have to heat up a big area. I'll just have the area that I'll be in. Because they're refrigeration trucks, they're insulated, and they generally stay right about between 32 and 20 degrees. So, but you get a little heater going in there and it retains the heat because it's insulated. It's an insulated truck. It's a refrigeration truck is designed to keep everything at 32, 42 degrees in the truck because the vegetables can't freeze. They can't go below 30 because it's always 32 to 45 degrees. What I'm going to look for is a smaller box truck with a back that's kind of pulls down. I don't want the double doors that swing open. I want the roll down doors. They have like a latch on the inside in the event that for whatever reason it gets locked. I can unlock it from the inside, so that's not going to be a problem. I'm going to get one of the outliers that's away from everything else. That should make it so that it's not picked for any deliveries or anything like that. If I sleep in, which I don't think I will. Yeah, this should be an interesting one. And like I said, I got some friends out there that have been watching me and that have been looking forward to this. So I'm so happy to give you what you're looking for. I don't know how much of me actually going in. I'm going to try to get some of me going in and me going out. It's going to be kind of rough because I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's just say that they're still open at this point. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to roll into the parking lot quick and see what's what, where everything lies, and see what's going to work for me. I'm going to be operating on a minimal kit, thinking that I'm going to bring just like a tarp as like a little thing to put on the floor, the air mattress, and the sleeping bag, and then to cook, I'm just going to use my butane propane stove, and I'm going to get in there, sit for a little bit, make sure that everything's cool, get set up, and then once I am reasonably certain that everything's cool, then I will get cooking and celebrate with a cold brew cars, park it there. If it's there overnight, they expect it because people overserve themselves. So, and then they Uber home, and then they come back in the morning and get their car. Perfect. Closer to the street. The street up here, there's some stuff. Probably up here is where I have to do it. The easiest way in. Alright, well, I'm waiting. Apparently they're staying a little bit later than I thought. I'm just waiting for everyone to clear out. Yeah. This isn't going exactly as I planned it, but I'm hanging in there. But I'm trying to stay like kind of concealed a little bit until I know everyone's gone. I'm guessing it's the last of the, I don't know, management crew or cleaning people or whatever that are like hanging out. But the head honcho's cars, at least the ones I suspect are the head honcho's cars, are still there. So, but more later. All right, we're good. Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. All right. All right, we're running. All right. Yeah. Here we go. This is the one. Okay. All right. Let's see. Nope, not that one. All right, let's go in this one. All right, so you can see there's some lights around the building. It's kind of an industrial, it's like an industrial complex. There's some cars over there. Oh shit, come in this way. I'm just gonna stand really still. They shouldn't see me. All right, I'm in. Upside down. All right, I need to get a light. I don't know what you can see. Why are you? All right. Ooh, man. Stupid thing. Supposed to be taking video. Here, I got this thing. Came with one of my tripods. It's a Bluetooth like activator thing, which I thought maybe it would be handy. You know, it's like got a little thing you can put it on your keychain or whatever. And it kept turning the camera off and on and off, on and off. So I got a bunch of like shots of me turning the camera on and off. But so I'm in. No way that anybody can see the light, so I'm not really concerned about the light. I mean, I guess that's kind of like presupposing that nobody saw me sneaking into it. So it is kind of chilly right now in here. I'm gonna stick this where I won't be activating and reactivating my thing, but I got this is the heater I got. It's a Lil Buddy heater. It takes a propane canister. It said online that the propane canister lasted 5 hours, so I'm hoping on that one, but I am going to get this over here. And then this is my peak one. And this just sets up like that. So, you know what? Let's get the heater going. I'm gonna get this heater started. My hands are freezing. Alright, so just got a little button on the side over here. Just gonna hold. There we go. Alright, there, it's on. Here we go. You see it? Yeah, I guess you can see it. Okay. It's a little chilly. I got the heater going though. I'm gonna turn it so it's facing me. Put my hoodie on. Okay. Here we go. It's Jack Daniels pulled pork, honey pulled pork. Got this idea from the Grandmaster of the Stealth Camp. I saw him do it and I said, I gotta do it. So we'll have pulled pork sandwiches. So I got that. This is a company that my company does work with, and I've had their chicken salad, their tuna salad, their egg salad. Man, I love all of them. So I've never had the coleslaw, but what goes better with pulled pork sandwiches than coleslaw? So I got some coleslaw. Let's see here. Bugles, the forgotten snack chip. You remember Bugles? Okay, so, and I got these are like little bread pans or whatever, but I looked at the packet that's in these things and it's not that big, so I'm pretty sure I can get it all in there. So it's gonna be that, and I've got my fork and some other utensils in there that I can use. So I've got some grinder, salt grinder there. So I'm just gonna close this up for now. On the bread, I got some nice onion rolls, so that'll be good. Didn't go exactly as planned, but I'm in, so that part kind of went off, but prior to me deciding when I was going to do this, everybody had band leave at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. 5:30 was like kind of I would estimate it was kind of the latest. So but I mean that was during the week, so I don't know if that makes a huge difference because it was during the week, but so, I expected everybody to be gone by, right around the same time. And I figured that, sunset, 5:45, and everybody would leave until like 6:45. So I had like sitting around waiting in an adjacent parking lot, like watching everybody, and then go and park the truck, run across the street. That was epic. So. And it's just a little pouch, and you can see the barbecue sauce in there. So I did try the barbecue sauce prior to me actually doing this, because I didn't want to make sure that it was something that I wasn't gonna like. So, but I like this. It's kind of sweet. It's not really spicy. It's kind of a sweet barbecue sauce. Pants are good for it. I'm gonna wash them anyways. So this guy just has a butane propane mix on it. You can actually, you can buy an adapter for this that adapts the thing down so that you can hook up a propane, straight propane canister to it. But Peak One, this is by Coleman. This is the one that I've used. There we go. And it just lights up like that. Voila. So there's that. And so now I'm just gonna, I'll stir this. So I figure with this barbecue, I mean, what do you do with barbecue? I mean, this is, I've had this before, so I know it's not spicy, and I wanted to try to get some spicy going on, so I picked up some spicy sauce, right? Picked up some spicy sauce to complement my barbecue beef sandwich, right? Bam, ghost pepper. Have you ever had ghost pepper? I have. And I'm of two minds of it. Here's the thing about me and ghost pepper sauce. If you've ever had a ghost pepper, you know that burn your face off hot. It's like absolutely positively. I don't mind hot. I am more of a habanero hot kind of person, but even habanero can be a little bit much at times. But this is me and super spicy stuff, right? I eat it. I curse myself after I've eaten it, and I'm like, why did you do that to yourself? Why did you do that to yourself? Oh my God, that is so hot. Oh, how do I get rid of this burn that my mouth is burning off? I feel like my face is melting. How do I get rid of it? And then, not even 15 minutes later, I'm like back into it. I'm just, it's, you know. But anyways, this guy is, that's the beautiful thing about this pulled pork, like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you just stir it constantly, give it all nice and mixed up, and you're good. This thing's good. You just gotta keep it from like burning to the bottom of the pan. And it's super easy to do. I mean, I imagine you could really do it over a fire too, but, and you can see, and it's been like 10 minutes that I've been doing this, and this thing is ready to go. So I'm just gonna like set it back down there for a little bit. I put this in the Ozark Trail Kit so that when I was out and I needed a piece of tinfoil, I could take exactly what I needed. Get a bun prepared here, and I'm gonna set it down on this napkin. I'm going to let it kind of absorb a little bit, but it's an onion roll, so all right, here we go. Here, that's the bottom. All right, and just let that bun kind of absorb some of that goodness. Take a little bit of, there we go, a little salty on that. Got some coleslaw. Look at that. So, it smells good. I don't know about you, I'm kind of picky about my coleslaw. If you've ever had Kentucky Fried Chicken coleslaw, I like theirs. Okay. Put just a little bit of that ghost pepper sauce on there. That's Melinda's ghost pepper sauce. Bugles, the forgotten snack chip. Corny. The suspense must be killing you. I hear you thinking, Michael, what's the beer? Well, my friends, glad you asked. Tonight,
we will be having an arrogant bastard. What are you saying? What's up with that? Arrogant bastard. This is it Stone Brewery? This is Stone Brewery, I believe. Don't have my glasses. I did look at this one and I did see that it is 7.2% ABV. So, in my neighborhood, very respectable neighborhood. So, here it is, and here we go. Cheers, and welcome to
Stealth Cam, a commercial delivery truck.
You know, I'll think of a cooler name. Give me a break. Oh, that's, how would I describe that? That is very arrogant. It's the opposite of fruity, but it's an ale, so it's not really an IPA. An IPA is, you know, has a different hop treatment. This is kind of, it's really robust. This has a robust flavor would be how I would describe it. And has a bitter aftertaste, like right towards the back of your mouth. But it's got a nice mouthfeel to it though. I mean, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that if you're adventurous, if you're an adventurous beer drinker and you're used to IPAs, that this, because it's not an IPA, it's an ale. This one, is a good break from an IPA, while still getting, you know, most of the benefits for what people drink IPAs for. Most people drink the IPAs because they're higher in alcohol volume. So, ergo, you have to drink less beer to get the desired effect. If that's, you know, why you're drinking the beer in the first place, which is the reason why most people drink beer. How about that sandwich? What side's got the, all right, this side's got the habanero on it. Wish me luck. Sweet Jack Daniels barbecue sauce. It's tangy and sweet, I like that. Now, the habanero seems to have blended with that part of it, not overpowering. Not overpowering. I was expecting my face to melt off. Now I'm gonna say, I got the whole side of that. Oh, there's some habanero, ghost pepper. There's some ghost pepper in there, I tasted that. Now I'm getting the ghost pepper. Whoa. Roof of the mouth, and then the throat. See, the problem with the that's getting warm. It's like sinking in. The problem with spicy, really spicy like this, it like makes it almost impossible for you to taste the beer. Now, I drink beer because I like the taste of it, and I enjoy trying all kinds of different beers. There's very few beers that I don't like. I'm not really crazy about Belgians. I like IPAs, I love stouts, I love porters, and if you've watched my videos, you've seen me have a mix of all of those things in there. When you eat spicy food like this, especially ghost pepper sauce, it coats your tongue. It's hard to get off, and it makes it very difficult to taste the beers. So, hence the Bugles. I anticipated that I would need something to be able to absorb the oils and the pepper, the corn Bugles, crunch them up, get them mixed around. They would absorb the oils in my tongue, hence probably die down the hot, spicy ghost pepperness of the ghost pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the next bite, but before I do that, I need to get into this coleslaw. This is country made coleslaw, so let's give this a try. Smells good. Usually, if you smell something, well, me, if I smell something, I can usually tell if I'm gonna like it or not. This heater's like working really good. And habanero, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper here. Uh-oh, that just looks wrong. Oh my God, look at that. Did you come to watch me torture myself? I don't think you did, but I think it's a benefit. Okay, I have Bugles, I have ColdSlaw. Okay. Courage. You ready? It doesn't have like a discernible smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, that went right on my tongue. I knew the second it hit my tongue because it tasted like a burnt barrel. Oh my God, that's hot. Okay, take another bite. Oh my God. There's like burning is, not the sensation of burning, like the second it hit my tongue, like in my nostrils, and then it was like burnt. Like, you can tell. I don't know how anybody could like accidentally eat like hot pepper sauce like that. It's funny because it's like the areas on my tongue, like the sides and the front are like burning, but I can still taste the sweet from the Jack Daniels sweet barbecue sauce. It's honey. Oh my God. Oh, that helped a little bit because I got away from the ghost pepper. Oh. Bugle. Got some Bugles in there. Oh my God. It's really good though. That's what I mean. I will eat that hot pepper and be like, God, why did you do that show? And then be like right back at it. A few minutes later, I'm like, oh, I need some more of that, dude. I would like to thank everybody who recently subscribed to the channel. It's just amazing to me. It's kind of like playing a video game all day long. It's like I check into, the YouTube to see where I'm at, subscriber-wise, view-wise, etc. And I'm like always like amazed. Wow. I'm like, so many people watched my videos, so many things, whatever. YouTube done a great job. They've shown my video to so many different people. And a lot of that is basically due to the fact that a lot of the people that I have met on YouTube they really want to help everybody get seen, get noticed, get, credit for doing whatever they're doing. Stealth camping behind a McDonald's, or stealth camping, by some big restaurant, or, by a sign in a major city or something like that, or, sneaking into like an airport in the back of a van and spending the night there with security guards roaming around. Now, obviously that I consider stealth camping, but driving down the highway and seeing a place on the side of the highway, I always just thought of that as that's something I always thought of. Definitely never had the, the word for it, but not the first time I've ever done it. There's been times when, I'd be out hiking somewhere and go off the trail to see like something off in the bushes or whatever, go off the trail and find a little stream, a little area, and be like, that's a cool place to camp. Of course, knowing full well that they didn't like you to just go pick a place and camp. But whenever you just go off trail and go and find your own place, it's always kind of cool. This sucker right here, got a lot of ghost pepper sauce on it. The Jack Daniels honey Ooh, there's that spice. The honey's so sweet. Oh my God. It's like you get the sweet barbecue taste, and then you feel that like burning tire sensation in your mouth. I'm back in for more. Yeah, I wish I could. It's almost like a burning rubber, like, like flavor. I don't know about the flavor, but it's the only thing that comes to mind. Bro, it is spicy. Let me put another dab of ghost pepper on here. Oh my gosh. You see it? It's that. It's right there. It's that sauce right there. I can't tell by looking at the camera if you can see it or not. But it's right there. You can't miss it. It's really hot. Ready? Okay. Should I turn it towards my mouth or should I turn it towards the roof of my mouth? I don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Give me a napkin. Ooh. Oh, give me a beer. Oh God. What is it about us that we like to laugh at other people's pain? Why are you laughing at my pain? Ooh, that's hot. Well, what about? I'm hot. If it was that big of a deal, I wouldn't be doing it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maybe the ColdSlaw will make it go away. A man cannot live by Bugles alone. Oh my God. Well, eat this. I have no more enamel on my teeth. Oh my God. Beer. Oh my God. Oh, damn you, ghost pepper. Uh-oh, kids, we're in trouble. The arrogant bastard is out. Now my lips are burning. It's like it's spreading. It's like a wildfire. It's like a wildfire, bro. It's spreading. I put the spice in there, so. Okay. And look, here's the thing, man. I can get Tabasco like everybody else. I can get like Texas Pete and Louisiana hot sauce and Cholula, you know what I mean? I can get all those. I chose to go a little bit crazy, just so, I mean, hey, I'm not like everybody else. I will do that crazy stuff. But at the end of the day, hey, it's good barbecue. Why did that make it go down? I did not expect that I would bite that sandwich and it would make the hot go down. It's counterintuitive. The air pump's at home, so I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Can actually, when you're out in the cold, you don't want to blow up your sleeping pad with your own breath. That's why I have the pump, to pump it up for me when you're out in the actual cold outside and you blow your breath into here, moisture and condensation gets in there, and then that is a source of drawing your heat out of your body. So the whole point of this is to keep yourself off of the ground. I'm kind of off of the ground here, so that's why I'm not really worried about it. But I'm kicking myself for not having brought my pump. All right, well, I'm in the sleeping bag. My toes are getting cold. This is an easy way to warm them up. So I've heard a couple cars go by outside, but I peeked out, and I think it's pretty much just people like, you know, that work in the area that are driving by. So everything seems status quo. So I'm gonna have to, I'm tired because I've been at work all day and I got up real early this morning, so I'm gonna get some rest, and I gotta get up and get out of here because I don't know for sure if they're gonna be in here in the morning, you know, or someone's going to be coming in to drive one of these trucks. This truck appears to be a truck that is used. Obviously, it has some pallets in it and some cardboard boxes that were kind of half folded up or whatever. So, I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you notice that I've been kind of leaving out the whole take everything down part, and the reason for that is just simply because people weren't watching it, and if you're not watching it, then there's no need to put it in there, you know. So nobody cares about watching me pack everything up and stick it in my backpack. I may, you know, leave a little bit of that in there, I don't know, but I'm thinking it's probably still going to be dark when I get up out of here, and but I'm gonna do my best to provide some context. So if you liked this video, do me a favor, subscribe, give me a like, let me know what you think, and in any event, I will see you in the morning. I'm gonna chillax right now, and since in between takes I've kind of been almost dozing a little bit, probably just gonna throw on a video, and I'll see you in the morning. Alright, guys. Yeah. Well, let me just change the lighting. Well, it's coming up on 4 in the morning. I gotta get out of here. It's actually quite comfortable in here. I mean, you know, I've slept in worse places. At least I don't have any tree stumps, you know, in my back, or the odd root or stone or whatever. But the hardest part is that it's, you know, flat.
my shoulders sore. I sleep on my arm like that, so. And I didn't know how cold it was gonna be. I brought my backup blanket, but I've just been using it as a pillow. But all in all, as far as like, you know, as far as stealth camps go, let's see. As far as stealth camps go, it's I'm honestly, I'm not cold, and I checked the temperature outside. It's like 28. So I think I could double check that, but I can get up and get this stuff folded up. Nothing would be worse than me getting everything. I mean, you know, if I get caught at this point, I'm done. So, but yeah. Get up and get everything packed up and get out of here. Went through 2 of the canisters for that stove thing, the heater, the Buddy heater. So I went through 2 canisters of that thing. So, I mean, I imagine it would probably keep a tent warm. You know what I mean? So, you know. In lieu of having the fire, the stove in the hot tent, you know. Yeah, you can't really see my breath. I can see it, but I don't think you can. All right. I gotta get up. Otherwise, I'm not going to want to. I'm not entirely uncomfortable. I mean, you know, aside from the hard surfaces. Yeah, I could stay and sleep longer. But I don't want to wake up with, you know, the refrigeration unit kicking on because somebody's, hey, go get that truck over there in the corner. God, look at my hair. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Back in the Jeep. I can do this. Okay, I got back to the Jeep. Oh, what a mess. All right, well, if you like this type of content, barring me getting arrested, so do me a favor and share, like, and subscribe, or just subscribe. That'd be cool. leave me a comment. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.